up, y'all? If you like me and you got a Can-Am Maverick Sport, you probably have one of the issues that I have, and that's the doors not closing like they should. I've been seeing a lot of people on Facebook asking if anybody else has the same issue or how to fix it, so I'm going to show you how to fix it. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is there's 6 T27 screws on the inside of the door. There's one here, 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 and here. So you want to pull those off, and then the outside of the door is going to pop off. Alright, whenever you get your screws out, all you gotta do is pull on the handle. The cover should pop right off. Like that. So once you get the cover on the outside popped off, you can see right here that the 2 hinges have 2 bolts in it each, which are 13 millimeters. So you're gonna wanna go ahead and remove those to remove the whole door. So when you get the door off, you're gonna be left with the hinges. And as you can tell, there's a lot of play in the top and the bottom. There's 2 plastic washers on each hinge. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pop the little C-clamp off the top, pull the hinge off, and I'm gonna add one of these 5/16 washers that I picked up at Lowe's, and it's gonna stiffen them up a good bit. So before I put the extra washers on, I'm gonna go ahead and clean the pins up and spray it down with a little WD-40. Now when you go to put the C-clips back on, it's going to be a little tight, so you're just going to have to kind of work it in there. Once you get it all back together, you can see that there's not as much play as there was. The top still has a little play. It's not as bad as it was, but the bottom is really what you want. It's not sagging like it was. And also up here, I don't know if you can see, there's 2 bolts that you can loosen, and you can slide where the door latch is up and down. So before I put the door back on, I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up and lube everything up. As you can tell, it's pretty nasty. All right, now that I got the door cleaned up and lubed up, I'm gonna go ahead and put it back on. I'm gonna latch the door first before I install the bolts. So when you get your door back on, you should be good to go. But if it's still not latching like it should, you can open the door up a little bit and loosen the bolts on your hinges. And they're slotted, so you can adjust it up and down like you need. And once you get it like you want, go ahead and tighten them down. Put your plastic cap back on and repeat the same steps on the other side, and you should be good to go. But I hope this video helped. If it did, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button, turn on notifications. We have a ride coming up at the end of the month. So first or second week of April, that video should be up. Thanks for watching.